Are you struggling to find the perfect storage solution for all your outdoor gear? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into the world of outdoor storage solutions and counting down the top 5 best storage sheds of 2024. Whether you're looking to organize your garden tools, store your outdoor equipment, or just need extra space, these sheds have got you covered. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Patiowell 8x6 feet Woodbridge metal shed. This shed combines durability and style with its Woodbridge design, giving you the charming look of wood without the maintenance. Crafted from galvanized metal, it's built to resist water and UV damage, ensuring your items stay protected all year round. What I love about this shed are the built-in vents, providing excellent ventilation and airflow to keep everything inside fresh. With its lockable doors, you can securely store all your outdoor equipment and tools. Whether it's in your garden, backyard, or patio, the Patiowell shed is a fantastic choice. Number 4. Rubbermaid 7x7 feet storage shed. This shed is all about durability and convenience. Made from durable resin, it's designed to withstand all kinds of weather without rusting or rotting. One of the standout features of this shed is how easy it is to assemble. With fewer parts, you can put it together quickly, and it's built to last with a strong roof and walls. The 7x7 feet size offers ample space for large equipment like riding and push mowers, patio furniture, and garden essentials. Rubbermaid also offers different models, including the Roughneck series, known for its double-wall resin construction. If you need a practical and reliable storage solution, the Rubbermaid shed is a great pick. Number 3. Suncast BMS 8000 700 Tremont 8x7 feet storage shed. This heavy-duty shed is perfect for those who need a bit more space and sturdiness. It boasts a massive 378 cubic feet of storage space, perfect for all your outdoor gear. Constructed with steel-reinforced double-wall resin and a metal truss system, this shed is incredibly durable. It even comes with 2 corner shelves and 4 skylights, making the interior bright and organized. Number 2. Keter Oakland shed. Keter has outdone themselves with this one, offering exceptional durability with their Duotech double-walled resin construction. This shed can handle the harshest outdoor conditions without warping, rotting, rusting, denting, or peeling. The Oakland shed also stands out for its customizable design. You can paint or drill walls to suit your needs. Available in 2 sizes, 7.5 by 7 feet and 11 by 7.5 feet, it provides plenty of storage space with 326.86 to 540.7 cubic feet. The extra-wide double doors make access a breeze, and the built-in windows and skylight ensure natural lighting inside. With built-in ventilation, you don't have to worry about mold or mildew. Secure your tools and equipment with its lockable doors, and you got a top-notch storage solution. Number 1. Lifetime 8 by 12.5 feet outdoor storage shed model 6402. This shed is the ultimate in outdoor storage, combining space, security, and durability. Featuring steel-reinforced dual wall panels and lockable doors, this shed is built to last and keep your items safe. The high-pitched roof not only looks great, but also ensures quick drainage of rain and snow, maintaining a dry interior. Inside, the heavy-duty steel trusses provide extra roof strength, and the customizable shelving system helps you keep everything organized. The slip-resistant high-density polyethylene floor is another highlight, protecting against oil, solvents, and stains. With its spacious interior of 99.34 square feet and a height of 8 feet, you get plenty of walk-around space. Lifetime even offers a 10-year limited warranty, showing their confidence in the shed's durability. So there you have it, our top 5 best storage sheds of 2024. Whether you're looking for durability, ease of assembly, ample space, or customizable options, there's a shed here for everyone. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details and where to purchase. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which shed is your favorite, or if you have any other recommendations. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content, and I'll see you in the next video.